Today we'll talk about how can you enable error notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options. You just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on notifications, just click on it here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down, come here to error. So then you click in this sign, that like you see sign it's gone, that's mean error notifications enable with us now. And here can you select sounds here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.